I got that juices flowing. And she saw them butt cheeks pass her by. I got her juices flowing. Ferrari. Another Ferrari. Ferrari back there, Ferrari up here. Ferrari's gone. I thought that non-Carrera something would pull, but he didn't. Yeah, it's right there. Want to see it. I like these kinds of chases. Oh, it's a chick on her phone. It looks nice though, it looks nice. Woo! We caught up to it. Ah! Keep forgetting about that goddamn bump. You think she will? I think she will. I think I got her juices flowing. And we got a Murcielago. She just wants to hit it. I know she's going straight. Only if we didn't have all this traffic here, man. She's cutting it. We had a Ducati back there, by the way. It's alright, it ain't that pretty. She's gone. I guarantee you, if there wasn't any car, she would have gunned it. Because as soon as she put that phone down, I got that juices flowing. And she saw them butt cheeks pass her by. I got her juices flowing. And that Murcielago that we saw, we'll see it again. That dude is always cruising around here. He lives around here, I believe. We've only had the chance to go against him, I think, once. Like 2 chases and 1 sex tape. But I've been seeing him for years. So we'll see him here for sure one of these days on the roads. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. I'm supposed to do a ride and review episode, man, but I'm not. I'm too tired. I'm not tired, I'm just lazy. Yeah, I'm just lazy, man. Just lazy. Just lazy. Super duper lazy. Super duper lazy. Super duper lazy. Super duper lazy is who I is who I am. It's what I do. Look how far, homie. On her phone while the dude's driving. Both hands on the goddamn phone. That is not safe, man. That is not safe. Got a Huracan on the other side. That is not safe, man. By the way, that Porsche we passed, that weird looking car, and there was a Porsche right behind it. That was a chick driving it who was blazing it. Could have had some fun with her, but I didn't give a F. We got to ride home. Because my battery's about to die, sun's about to set, and as you guys know, we do not ride at night. We do not ride at night. But as long as we're riding, the camera needs to be rolling. As long as the camera is rolling, I need to be talking. I came out a little late today, and I rode for a little too long today. Look at that wrapped Tesla, man. Boo, 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 got a thing, man. Yeah, we gotta lane split now because we too little deep on them, O's. You can go, dog. Why'd he pause? Thank you. Dude paused to look at the dude, the driver. Just keep on going. I had to put both my feet down. It hurt my freaking knee. Corvette crew. Recording it too. Selfie mode. Look at all these Corvettes. Hey, dude. The dude at the very front, not this guy. The other guy is a liability because that dude does not know how to lane split. Don't ever stop like that. You can go Huracan. He could have won. McLaren. Really hurt my knee on that one because I had to put my feet down real quick and I put it down and the bike was still going forward and I kind of pulled it. Hopefully it's something bad. Lambo crashed. Sucks. You saw that it was all turned too. You gotta be careful, man. You gotta be careful. There was a Corvette and I was going, it was an open road. He made a U-turn, he was going. When he made the U-turn, his back wheels were swerving, like he lost traction basically. And then later on we went and it was open traffic, looking open roads, no traffic. We were both at a stoplight, but I didn't gun it, I didn't race him. I didn't let Nimbus make love to him. I ate your booty. I didn't let Nimbus make love to him because of the way that he was driving. He didn't feel safe. So many times, Aston Martin, new ones. So many times you got to make that executive decision that yeah, you could get a sex tape in, but it's not going to be. It's going to be unsafe. You got to really think about it. And it wasn't. I felt like it wouldn't have been unsafe. Another chopper came and he did it, and it actually went well. Nothing happened. But still, I didn't feel safe to do it, so I didn't do it. So you got to be strong about that. That's a little Papa saying for you guys. A little Papa saying for you guys. Hopefully the cameras don't die. This one doesn't even show any more batteries. It's just blank. So hopefully we can make it at least all the way to home before the camera dies, because I like having my cameras on while I'm riding. You never know, something could happen, like that Huracan thing. Something could happen. You always want to make sure you have it on footage, and in case you ever need it for something. People always blame the motorcycles, man. So yeah, we will be lane splitting heavy. We might even be hitting the highway to get home quicker. Usually I take the roads because I enjoy riding on roads and on highways. People just keep blazing it, too much wind, and it's not as fun. On the city roads, you get to see the rider up there. On the city roads, you get to see, you know, other people and all that sorts of stuff. So I like it. It makes the ride a lot more enjoyable. But that rider is gone because we got a red light. What is that, a GT? We got a triple over there. Or not a triple, we got a Triumph over there. I don't know if it's a triple or not. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's a Triumph, but I don't know if it's a triple or not. Dude's leaning, you see that? Knee out and everything. Alright, let's see if that hoe can stay until this light opens. Because I usually never have a rider with me. Usually I see them like that, and then they disappear. Go on faster and make your stupid left turns. He's right up there on that light. I can still catch him. It depends if this one stays green for me. Hopefully yes. And the other one's green too, so I need them all green. Alright, green, green. Now this next one has to be green too. Alright, good, it's red. He should be here, right? No, he went on the highway, didn't he? I don't see him here. There's another rider, that's not him. Yeah, he turned on the highway. I wanted to take that highway. I can't believe this camera is still chugging along, man. Respect for these GoPros. This is a 3+ silver, this is a 3+ black. And they're still running strong. Like, so many years, hours on hours of hours have I used these. Like, thousands. Easily, I've probably put tens of thousands of hours on these hoes. And they're still at it, man. They're still at it. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. And I'm out. Peace. Got the uterus over there too. Not her okay, never mind. Not her uterus. I meant the Lamborghini uterus there too. Wouldn't clap, but still.